Okay, I made a trip over to Scheels to do some ammo pricing and see what they had. Well, they had 45 auto in, 25 ACP. They have 223, but it's up there a ways yet. 5.56 Creedmoor. They've got, oh, good grief, 7. Oh, right now it's warm out here. My brain's not working quite right, but it's the ammo for the SKs and AKs, so, and a few other things. But so what did I pick up? Let's see here. We have gummies for the wife. And let's see here. Maple nut for me. You know what they say, a happy wife is a happy life, so I got her the gummies, so we'll keep her smiling. I'm gonna get in the truck now. That old sun is warm. I think it's in the 90s again today. Nice looking motorcycle over there. Nice looking boat over there. Well, I'm still sitting at Scheels parking lot. So my next stop will be a good one. You have a good day now, and like, share, and subscribe. And we'll do what we can. Okay, bye-bye.